Hello, Victor here at restoreyourmercedes.com. Tommy, this video is for you. Gentlemen, so I got your pump finally finished and cycling issue is done. Circuit shut down, and I'm going to actually, well, one of the seals replaced, the one that was defective on one of the central locking. So what we have here is we have interior pockets lock, door locks. Some of them are blocked off because they will be leaking air, and one of the because they're sharing the same port, so they're on the same line. And the pressure gauge, obviously, so we can see our pressure and our vacuum. I'm gonna demonstrate both circuits just for you to see that both circuits work and they work properly. Now this pump is from the SL 500 SL, so it has separate circuit for door locks and separate circuit for interior compartment locks. So first we're going to do interior compartment. Let's see, closed. See, just one activates. That's a valet interior compartment lock. So unlock it. So in this point, at this point, if I'm gonna activate central locking, both will lock and both will unlock. See, both unlocked, both locked. As you can see, both unlocked again, both locked. I'm checking the pressure and vacuum on door locking circuit. That's what I'm doing. Give it some light for the gauge. All right, now once more we're going to, pressure is high, 0.8, vacuum is high as well, 0.8, so we're good. We're in good shape. Now what I'm going to also show you, I'm going to show you the separate activation. So we're going to lock internal compartments, and now this is valet mode, so internal compartments are locked. We're only going to have door locks opening and closing. As you can see, it works the way it should work. And if we're going to unlock, first we have to unlock the car, and then we're going to unlock the internal locks, and now both lock and both unlock. So obviously door locking pump does not work that much. I mean, you don't lock and unlock the car as many times as I've done it just now, so it is not healthy for the pump. But because I put in a new motor, it's going to last. It actually can take this abuse right now, because usually you'll lock it and unlock it. I also replaced a bunch of hoses inside, and I can't even, this is an SL pump, but if I put my finger on the motor, yeah, it's warm, but it's not hot, so it works well, because it also has to be lined up properly. So all of that said and done, we do have your pump ready to go. I'm just gonna wrap it up, put in the cover. It's a bottom cover here, and I will undo. These are my ports here, so you plug in yours. The one that you should be careful with is that you have to plug them all in, obviously, but this is the vacuum port and the fuel filler cap. That is the one that is on its own rubber kind of hose, and just it's kind of short, it's kind of awkward, so just be careful with that. Other than that, everything should be just fine. The pump right now, if I'm gonna put on the ignition as if the car is started, and you can see the pump is silent, so there will be no more cycling happening on this pump. I also have to know that I checked this pump at about 12.8 12.9 volts. That is another point I wanted to make. So you've seen previous videos, you saw the issues. Now it's all finished, so the pump is ready to go. Okay, so this is all for me. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.